Acting Managing Director of MRA, Nathan Mosusu, and Assistant Governor of Bank of PNG, Ellison Piddick, signed the MOU, establishing a partnership to bring financial education to mining communities in the country. This partnership, a result of efforts through the Resource Sector Working Group under the Second National Strategy for Financial Inclusion 2016 to 2020.
To help the resource owners to have access to financial services, translate their money that they have been getting through royalties and save them in bank accounts and have access, hopefully, eventually, to digital fintech they can use to ensure security to their income and convenience and transparency in the way the money is moving, and so to those accounts, and so MRA can also it will bring great benefits.
The strategy has identified 7 key areas: resources sector engagement, digital financial services, inclusive insurance, financial consumer protection, access to finance for informal sector economy and agriculture enterprises, SME finance, and financial literacy and financial education. And with MRA's engagement with mining communities, the MRA is confident this partnership will add value to their relationship within this critical economic sector.
We're probably looking at about at least 1 million small-scale miners. But if we can do a proper survey to confirm that, that will make it easier for us to especially deliver this sort of program. But for hard rock mining, big projects, there are quite a few landowner groups which we have to.
Of particular focus will be the rollout of financial inclusion activities in communities affected by mining projects that receive direct royalties and compensation, something which has been identified as crucial for communities, particularly given past experiences of landowner monies being misused by agents. Through this MOU, MRA and CEFI have committed to working with financial institutions to provide training, with this model to be also used for other resource sectors in the country.
Is the bridge that will help the companies, that will help the government, that will help the banks to actually sit down and say, look, we need to create a product if each of the banks is not having that product. And so maybe BSP may have ATMs, but how many of our people have access to that? And the micro banks, they have their own products, but how many of the people actually having access to that? If there is a gap there, it is our job to actually fill in that, considering where the companies are coming from in terms of paying royalties and equity, and where the landowner side, and where as banks and regulators come in.
Particularly emphasizing the hands. We try to add another dimension to it.